Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this ZEVO Max Flying Insect Trap. This is the corded starter kit. So here's everything that comes in the box. On the bottom here we got a rubber band that's going to hold the cord. Now we got to unwind the cord. It kind of sticks right there a little bit. And then let's unwind the cord and I'll show you how to activate the fly strips, and we'll go over dimensions, how long the cord is. So we do have to have this plugged in for it to operate. Got a pretty long cord. All right, that's where the maximum reach of the cord is. Now there's a place for it to come out the side so that this can sit level. Now the cord is 54 inches long. Again, it's two-prong. We have to plug it in. Plug it into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. It consumes 4 watts of power. Output is 5 volts, 550 milliamps. Okay, let's plug it in. Now there is a little bit of a time delay, but then the light does come on. Now let's activate these. It's two-sided. So the lights are going to be, the bugs are going to be attracted. This is open on both sides. The bugs are going to be attracted to the light and from the top. And then they're going to go and hopefully get stuck to these sticky traps. So let's activate them. Then you simply make sure you just grab it by here. That is super, super sticky. So just slide them in there like that till that is nice and flush. And the light will come on once you have at least one in. There is a micro switch down there. This thing's going to make a little micro switch inside there. So make sure you have at least one all the way in. Now let's put the other one in. Now we got double. All right, there's what it looks like. Again, they're going to be attracted and get stuck inside there. The sides are open. Make sure that stays there. Okay, so it sits right at 7 1/4 inches. It is a circle, so it's 4 inches in diameter. And again, the cord length. Yeah, this is maximum protection with having 2 and the light kind of shining out the side here, maybe up the top a little bit, not as much up at the top, but out both sides. So as long as you have it on, the light will be on. It's continuously attracting. It says it captures houseflies, fruit flies, and gnats. It does say the cord is 5 feet long. Now once these you can buy a refill. So once these fill up, you can get a refill, put the new refill in, and you keep the same base unit. So once you have this starter kit, all you have to do is get the refills. Now this is for indoor use only. I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.